Accidentally deleted your Canva masterpiece or lost unsaved changes? Don't worry. This video will guide you through the process of restoring your Canva projects, whether they're deleted or just unsaved. Canva's robust recovery features, including autosave and version history, make it easy to retrieve your designs. Canva automatically saves your work every 1 to 2 seconds. Thanks to the enhanced auto recover system introduced in early 2025, the platform seamlessly recovers unsaved work upon reopening the app or website. In the 2025 Q4 update, Canva added a quick restore button in the editor interface to address accidental deletions, making the recovery process even more intuitive. Deleted designs aren't permanently gone right away. They're moved to the trash or recycle bin. To access it, go to your Canva dashboard and look for the trash folder. Premium users can restore designs from the trash within 30 days, while free users have a 7-day window. Make sure to restore them before they're permanently deleted. Canva's version history is a powerful feature that automatically tracks every edit you make to your design, complete with timestamps for each save point. This gives you the ability to revert back to any previous version if you make a mistake or want to explore different design directions. To access version history, look for the option in the File menu or the Design Interface sidebar. In the File dropdown, you'll find Version History as one of the menu options. You can also access it directly from the left sidebar menu in your design editor, making it easy to check previous versions while you work. Once in Version History, you'll see a list of all your saved versions with timestamps showing when each was created. Simply select the version you want to restore, and Canva will revert your entire design back to that point instantly. This feature essentially creates a timeline of your design's evolution, allowing you to step back through your creative process and recover from any unintended changes. Recovering unsaved designs in Canva ensures that your creative work is never lost, even if the app closes unexpectedly. When Canva closes unexpectedly, such as due to a browser crash or system issue, the platform automatically prompts you to recover your work upon reopening. This recovery dialog appears for any draft or template you were working on, allowing you to pick up exactly where you left off without losing any progress. If you need to find an unsaved design manually, you can locate drafts in the sidebar of the Canva editor. The Drafts section contains all your recent unsaved work, organized by date and project type, making it easy to access and continue working on any unfinished designs. This recovery process is illustrated in design workflows like this product development flowchart, where drafts represent work in progress that can be resumed seamlessly, ensuring no ideas are lost during the creative process. Whether through automatic prompts or the Drafts sidebar, Canva's recovery features provide peace of mind, allowing you to continue your design work without interruption. Canva's cross-device synchronization ensures your designs are accessible and recoverable across mobile, web, and desktop versions. This seamless syncing means you can start a project on your phone and continue it on your computer without any hassle. If you accidentally delete a design on one device, you can easily recover it from another device where it's automatically synced. This provides peace of mind and prevents work loss when switching between devices. For teams, this synchronization allows members to access and recover shared designs from any device. If someone deletes a collaborative project, another team member can restore it instantly, keeping workflows uninterrupted and productive. While Canva provides robust autosave features, creating additional backups is a smart practice for protecting your work. Canva automatically saves your designs as you work, but this doesn't replace the need for manual backups. Regular exporting creates additional copies in different formats. Regularly export your finished designs in multiple formats. PNG is great for images with transparent backgrounds, while PDF preserves layout and is perfect for documents. Consider storing your exported designs in third-party cloud storage solutions like Google Drive. This creates an extra layer of protection against data loss and allows access from anywhere. By combining Canva's autosave with regular exports and cloud storage, you create multiple layers of protection against losing your valuable design work. The future of Canva project recovery is bright. Expect to see more AI-assisted recovery features that can reconstruct lost elements and predict missing templates. AI-assisted recovery features will become more advanced, able to reconstruct lost elements and predict missing templates based on your design history. Integration with collaborative platforms like Google Workspace will improve team-based recovery, allowing shared access to recovery options across devices and team members. By 2030, fully automated AI recovery may eliminate most manual steps, focusing instead on predictive saving based on your user behavior patterns. So always be on the lookout for new updates that make this process easier.